Don't have time to plan content every day? Here's how I plan a full week of posts in 45 minutes using one Google Sheet. This is my exact weekly content sprint. It helps me create consistent content without burnouts or tools. I'll show it to you right now. As you can see, I have the Google Sheet opened. Across row 1, I have all the headers, the day, the topic, the format, the hook, the draft, the call to action, and the status. This is your one glance content board for the week. Going down column A, I've listed out Monday through Saturday. I like to post maybe 5 or 6 times a week. That's all, because it's enough to stay consistent, but it doesn't burn me out. Over in column G is the status column, and we're going to use this column to track where each post stands. You'll know exactly what's next. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and highlight. We'll go to data validation, add a rule. We want it to be a drop down, and we just want to populate it with the 4 stages it could be in. It's either the idea, drafted, scheduled, or posted. Now this will let you bucket all your topics and see where you are. Now once we're done with that, we'll hit done. But once we have everything highlighted, we're going to go ahead and add some color coding so you can see where you are pretty quickly. So what I'll do now, with the same group of cells highlighted, we'll go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and we'll add a rule for if the text is exactly, and then we'll just do posted. We'll make it green. We'll add another rule, same idea. Drafted will be yellow. One more rule, text is exactly, and then we'll go ahead and put idea. And we'll make this, we can just do a gray. So now with these color codes, you can see where you stand for the week very quickly. A little example, turned yellow, and then if you do idea, turned gray, and if you do posted, it's green. The last thing I like to add is this second tab that I call the hook library. Right here, I just listed a few examples. Whenever I get stuck, I copy and paste from this library I have, and I fill in the gaps. And I just put some sample data in there for you to get the idea of what it is. So that's pretty much it. If you want this weekly sprint template already built for you, just comment sprint, and I'll send it over to you right away. Thanks for watching.